So I'm hopping on here tonight because I need to talk to y'all and I need to make sure that I'm not the only one that's been feeling this way lately and that I'm not losing my mind. So for like the past 2 to 3 weeks, I have been feeling this intense need to throw everything away. When I say everything, I mean everything. Like throw the house away, throw the car away, throw the business aspects away. Like, not the business in that I love what I do. I love that I help women to heal. I love, the connection I build with spirit. But what exists inside of it, I've been feeling this intense need to throw it all away. Am I the only one? Like, have you been feeling that? Like, I don't know. It's like, okay, since like the beginning of March, one night I was sitting here and I was like talking to a sister friend of mine, and I literally texted her and was like, girl, I'm throwing everything away. I'm throwing like the house, the people, the car, the products, the everything, past relationship, like shoot, current relationships. I'm throwing it all away because it's like spirit just keeps on telling me like you gotta throw everything away in order to make space for what's about to come. And I just kept seeing myself get a dumpster, pull it up to the back door, and throw everything in a business away into the dumpster. Throw everything in the house away in the dumpster. Like everything. And even to the point where I just throw it all away and start with a completely fresh start. Brand new, like paint, like floor job, ceiling job, like change the fixtures, like literally, like totally. And I mean, if I get a damn dime for every time I say like in this video, I'm probably gonna reach $1 million and just in the dimes. But anyway, I've been feeling like, like again, I've been feeling this intense need to literally just pull up something like a dumpster, throw it all away in order to make space for the new that's coming in. So obviously, the spring equinox just passed like a week or so ago, or two at this point ago, and I felt this new energy come in, and like I was like, my energy was just like, and then I turned around and I looked at everything that was still around me, and I was like, oh, and I can't help but feel like the things that are around me, and if this message resonates for you, around you too, the things, the people, the energy of what's been around you can't go to the next level. So like if you've been feeling the same way, it's because baby, spirit about to take us to a status, to a place, to an energy, to a vibration, to a community, to an existence, to a reality, to a manifestation energy that we can't even fathom. And the reason we gotta throw it all away is because if not, we're going to be trying to pack 1,000,001 bags with us and take it to the next place. And you know the song that kept coming up to me, and I was singing, like when I was getting this message, I was singing, and even right now, Erykah Badu, Bag Lady. We can't take it. And if we don't drop the things, like everything that we have surrounding us, and not be afraid of what's going to happen when you get to the other side with nothing with you, if you don't have like that kind of crazy amount of faith and spirit in your spirit team to like manifest and bring in front of you to fruition everything you ever desire in like that amount of time, then this like delusional club that I'm about to create is not for you. But if this message resonates with you, please tell me, comment box, whatever, however you got to do it, that I'm not the only one that's been feeling this, and tell me like what you been getting rid of, because boo, it's happening. Like I'm getting rid of it all. And by the way, in the midst of me talking about that, By the way, I am literally doing a everything must go so in my business. I ain't never did this before in my life. I've never, first of all, put everything on sale in my entire storefront. Every course, every product, everything. I've never put everything on sale to get rid of it. I've never also ever went on a spring break in my company. And the third thing that I've never ever done was literally shut down my business for 15 whole days just so I can be in the energy of where spirit wants me to go in the new after I get rid of everything. So right now, and I don't know for how long this is going to be because I'm literally just following spirit with this. I really do not know. Right now, everything on Yoni Love Herbals, every crystal, every manifestation candle, every crystal beaded bracelet, every Yoni steam, every herbal tea, every kit box, every Yoni steaming box, like the big old boxes that you put in your house and you get to steam on them, like everything. The smoking blend, herbal smoking, but everything. The pipes, the glass pipe, everything. The waist beads, everything is on sale right now for 40% off. And it's automatic. You don't have to put no codes in or none of that. You can just go there, put the stuff in your cart if you desire, because this is not like, it's if you desire, because if not, it's getting rid of it. I'm getting rid of it anyway. But anyway, if you desire to put the code, you don't have to put a code in. Just get what you want. Get it for 40% off. Also, every course that I offer, Birthing Your Business, Mastermind, Millionaire Mindset Masterclass, how to start a Yoni Steaming business, Yoni Steaming certification, freaking jumpstart your business, what's your why, freaking drop ship it, everything in the Wombniverse, every course that I offer in the Wombniverse, 50% off right now. It's all gotta go, boo. It's all getting revamped. And I don't know where spirit's taking me, but I'm just trusting. Anyway, let me know if you've been feeling this. Let me know if I'm going crazy or if this message resonates with you. And let's just walk into the new, boo. Let's just walk into the new. Peace.